Is your Apple Pay suddenly as useful as a screen door on a submarine? Let's get you back to contactless payments in this quick troubleshooting guide. First, let's make sure your internet isn't the culprit. Open your Settings app and check your Wi-Fi connection. If it's weak or unstable, try switching to cellular data, or vice versa. Sometimes, a simple reset is all you need. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center, and toggle airplane mode on. Wait 5 seconds, and then turn it off again. This refreshes your device's network connections. Next, ensure your iPhone is running the latest software. Head back to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. An outdated operating system can sometimes cause compatibility issues with Apple Pay. Install any available updates. Now, let's check your card within the Wallet app. Open the Wallet app and tap on the card you're trying to use. Look for any alerts or notifications indicating that your card needs verification or has been suspended. Let's dive into your Apple ID settings. In Settings, tap your name at the top, then tap Payment and Shipping. Make sure your billing address and payment information are up to date. Incorrect information can prevent Apple Pay from working. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most common Apple Pay issues and get back to making secure, contactless payments. If you're still having trouble, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance.